back to LNF. Today we're going to be installing some Sideskirts on Manpreet's shitbox. He didn't show that he got new wheels. Avid, forget what model these are, but with the chromey lugs. No, they're not. They're not
Neochrome.
Neochrome, there you go. Now the car looks better. Now he just needs to lower it about 3 inches. But should be a pretty simple install. Probably 4 self-tappers on each side. We're good. Manpreet's gonna do the install, not me.
Yeah, easy peasy.
Bruh. Hey, it's almost a match. So someone hit me in the parking lot.
Shitbox.
Mm-hmm. No, you can see the
shitbox.
That was definitely a shitbox. Look how it creased it. You can kind of see where it even chipped the paint, and it creased it way more over here. And then like this side. This side has a crease, but that's how it is. But it's like not dramatically. It's not dramatic. All right, let's go under.
Oh, we got the pre-toe.
Oh,
what?
Broke it.
You broke it.
Give me a new one.
We'll go to Home Depot and get you a new one.
You can't even roll because it's broken.
Sit more in the middle.
There we go.
It reminds me of the fucking little toys that from elementary school, where you would put it like this and you could have to go with your legs and go fucking fast.
Alright, do the clip.
You see it?
Sheesh, mampito. Damn, why is he? Yeah, he's already breaked up.
Hold on, let me get this.
He's all
Like
excited.
this?
He's all excited. You know, whenever they call him mampito.
You got the freaking, you got it out or what? We don't know what he's doing.
I can't feel it.
He's probably on the wrong fucking clip.
It's the clip right here. Oh,
You got it? You got it? Ain't no way he got it. Did you get it?
I heard something.
You got it?
Something, bro.
It was
so much.
You gotta get the better ones, bro.
Oh yeah.
Let me get yours. You don't need those.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I do
The
now.
thick ones?
I do now since
Well, this was
Since
so
I'm
much
trucking,
easier in the
I mean-
front of the car.
What if I just?
Guys, this is not as easy as it looks.
Alright, Alex, you're up. Tag him in.
Alex!
Thank you.
You owe me quesadillas for this.
I'll go get you started right now if you want that.
How you gonna go when the car's jacked up?
Okay, how about we do the car thing? You guys do the wheel thingy over there, and I go get Starbucks and come back.
In what car?
This car!
After he's done.
I think this is a different one.
It should be 3.
How about a grand and everything?
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's actually not bad.
Hey!
Get you closer, bro.
I was like, what the fuck?
So the wheels and tire were $850, and the lugs was $60. All
Hey. Ow, this shit hurts. Where's the other one?
You got it or not?
It's like hard to. Oh, there we go. It's about to grab it. Cool. Oh, here's one. Alright, we took them off. I didn't break a single one. I got 2, and then he has the other one. Now, we're gonna use these. I don't really. Because, yeah, look, bro, they don't even expand that much. How's that supposed to stay in the hole? Alright, we're about to find out if these work better or the stock ones.
You have screws for a reason.
Hold up, no, I can't.
Maybe you have screws for a reason.
Janky ass build. Alright, now we're gonna.
I know you ain't talking.
Huh?
Yeah, he gone.
Premix. I think
Back to
that
video?
and burnt tire is the best smell.
I think wet pussy smells better.
Hey, well, wow. Smells nice and moist.
There you go.
Since you decided to break that thing.
Yeah, these are gonna be like
Dante, how about you hold it for him so you can put the clips in?
Oh yeah, here you go, Alex. Oh, that one's it.
Some people just don't think, huh?
What? Don't worry, I'm gonna fix you guys Starbucks after this.
I don't want Starbucks.
Why don't you want Starbucks?
I want quesadilla.
I'm not even
Well,
hungry.
Quesaberry is too far to drive.
I already ate.
I ate before coming here.
Hey, yo! Alright, let go. Let's see if it even holds it. Bro, that shit's holding is so janky though.
Should we try the other ones?
I don't think it's long enough. He could try it. The Subaru.
Jason David. Chupa. Give me the Starbucks.
The what?
The new one or the old one?
The old one. I'm gonna try that one.
He puts in his pocket, bro.
Well, where am I gonna put them in?
The floor. Easy
Lost
access.
on the floor.
I don't think that shit gonna reach, kid, but you can try it.
I'll try it. Fucking little. This is what we need a lift. Alright, that's fine. That's just hungry.
Huh? Hey, hit a donut right here.
What happened?
Hit a donut.
Get a donut in right here? Fuck, bro, this is
Over there.
over there.
That boy hitting them donuts, bro.
Huh?
Right there.
That's it? Nice. That's definitely. Good job, guys.
Hold on, dude.
I don't think the screws are long enough.
No, it didn't grab onto the plastic in the inside. I'll show you chance.
Those screws are longer than the ones I came with.
I think so, right there, right?
There.
Yep.
Is it in?
I know. Raise it up, Eric.
Hey.
Booms.
How many you gonna do? Like 100?
The whole box.
You got 200. You might as well use 100 per side.
You gotta put these screws back here.
Let it go.
No,
It's
you're
fine.
good. You should be fine, man.
It's held on by like 17. Huh?
Why are you getting red?
Cuz, man, he's slow.
Actually, he was right. You gotta hold this one.
Look how sturdy this thing is.
What? Alex, you know what?
Make sure you do one in the back too.
I know, that's not
Alex, just because you're doing a great job,
Hey!
I'm gonna get everybody here Spices.
From Chick-fil-A?
No, I'm not going all the way to Chick-fil-A. That shit is more expensive.
Hey,
than stuff.
stop grabbing my butt.
You know, somebody's getting you food. You don't have to be a woman all the time and be so picky.
For real.
How? At least I know what I
Make sure you
want.
get the one over here.
You like spicy from
One right here,
McDonald's. What time is it?
Oh, and they're hitting back?
These are bigger than the ones I came with. So.
This one sucks.
I'm doing the best that I can.
If they get loose, I got the ratchet thing here in a little bit. I got one off Amazon.
For what?
Like that angled ratcheting. Like,
Oh, okay.
I mean, I don't think they're gonna get loose, but
What thing?
the screws.
Bro, you think a screwdriver would do? You know that, right?
What?
You think a screwdriver would to tighten it?
I mean, I guess pretty good.
Yeah, look, show him. Show him the screw. See? I need no ratchet.
Then we gotta make sure this thing goes up all the way with it.
that concludes our super easy side skirt install. Pretty simple. Just hit it with a couple self tappers since those clips didn't work. Stay tuned because within the next month, that car is gonna get full angle kit, hydro, wheels, and some other little goodies that I don't want to say. We don't know what's happening to Eric's, but Eric's gonna get somewhat of the same treatment. What do you have coming to this car?
I got windshield headlights coming in, so that'll probably be in the next video.
So stay tuned in, subscribe, comment, like. Catch y'all on the next one.
I'll tell about your new job though.
Oh, your boy got the CDL. He got his license. So your boy, me and Joey are gonna be driving together.
Lot loser time.
Huh? I'm gonna be grabbing the wrong stick.
Oh, hey. All right, see you later.
Cut.